Hello parents, this is Miss Austin, and I know students are hard at work to complete their work on Schoology, so I just wanted to show you how students will complete their assignments when it comes to like a worksheet or they have to draw something. So if you go to today's folder, two of the things I had to take a picture of and submit today was the math lesson 1.1 and the Edward the Emu directed drawing. This has questions that you just have to answer after you watch the video. But the things you have to take a picture and submit are these two. So first I'll show you how to submit the math lesson from the workbook pages. So after you finish the workbook pages, you could take a picture with your Chromebook if you borrowed a Chromebook from the school, or you can take a picture with your phone. And you can submit it via that Schoology app on the phone. So to submit the assignment, what you do is click this button that says Submit Assignment. All right, then you've got to click this button that says File. So it's kind of black and white, but it'll turn blue when you touch it. So click File, and then you would go to your pictures, and there's my worksheet that I did. So I would click the worksheet. And then if you want to write a comment, you can. So I'm going to write, I finished 1.1. You don't have to write a comment. It's up to you. Then press submit. All right. Once you've done that, I can see that you have submitted your assignment. If you messed up on your picture and want to do it again, you can press resubmit. All right. That's how you're going to turn in your math worksheets. If you did not pick up your supply bag from last week, please let me know so we can make sure we can get you a supply bag because the workbook pages are in there. All right, the next thing that you have to do is the Edward the Emu directed drawing. So this is going to be a cute little thing where we get to see everybody's drawing of Edward the Emu. So the first link just gives you the steps on how to draw him. All right, then I'm going to go back. This is where you will submit your picture. So I already submitted my picture as an example. Right now I'm on an inactive student account, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So to submit your drawing, you would go to write a comment, just like that. This first box right here, you'll click that. It's File. And there's my Edward the Emu drawing. You just click that and post. This time you do have to write a comment though. So I'm going to write, here is my Edward picture. You're going to write whatever you want though. And now there's the Edward picture. So that's how you're going to complete your work today. Once you have completed all your work from the menu, so that includes the lesson 1.1 math book pages, the mystery science video and questions, the drawing, 15 minutes of Lexia or Ingenuity, or 15 minutes of independent reading, either with a book or Epic. Once you've completed all of that, you will receive your 5 dojo points. All right, if you have any questions, please send me a message. Bye.